Welcome back in 2026. In this video I won't talk about machines, but instead I'll show you my workshop. I would like to talk a little bit about it because I spent the holiday season to reorganize it. This is my renewed workbench where I plan to record the videos, and I have already collected few things for 2026. First of all, here I have this Macintosh 2. Also I have a motherboard for Amiga 2000 with an add-on card. In this here I will talk about Vampire, some old music or audio equipment, as well as very old cameras. I really like photography. I hope you will also enjoy it. I also have a pet. Unfortunately it was destroyed by the delivery company. I hope this year I will have time to repair it. And as many of you wrote me to continue the Commodore story, there will be Commodore 128 somewhere in the near future. I've just reactivated my homemade white box for that. I plan to collect more stories in January and get the video ready somewhere in February. On top of that, I have more plans for the workshop. For example, I will put an oscilloscope here, a PC monitor here, as well as many more. So stay with me in 2026. Wish you a happy new year. Goodbye.